Raise your hand if you've ever told yourself, I'll start tomorrow, and then tomorrow never comes. Sound familiar? Here's the thing. Staying motivated doesn't have to feel like climbing Mount Everest. In fact, it's way simpler than you think. And today, I'm going to show you why and how you can make it work for you. Let's dive in. Okay, real talk. Motivation isn't some magical force that only a few lucky people are born with. It's a skill. And like any skill, you can learn it. But here's the catch. Most of us are going about it all wrong. We wait for motivation to strike like lightning, but what if I told you that motivation isn't something you wait for? It's something you create. So in this video, I'm breaking it down into 3 simple steps that will help you stay motivated, even on days when you feel like snoozing your alarm forever. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Start small, like really small. Think about it. When you set a huge goal like, I'm going to work out for an hour every day, it feels overwhelming, right? But what if you started with just 5 minutes, or even 2? Here's the secret. Motivation builds momentum. So instead of waiting for the perfect moment to tackle a big task, break it into tiny, bite-sized pieces. For example, if you're trying to write a report, just commit to writing 1 sentence. 1 sentence! Once you start, you'll often find yourself thinking, hey, I can do a little more. And just like that, you're building momentum. Step 2. Find your why. Why does this goal matter to you? Is it to feel healthier, to advance your career, or to make your family proud? When you connect your actions to a deeper purpose, motivation becomes way easier to sustain. Here's a quick exercise. Grab a piece of paper and write down your goal. Then ask yourself, why is this important to me? Keep digging until you find the emotional core. Trust me, when you know your why, the how becomes so much clearer. Step 3. Celebrate every win, and I mean every win. Finished a chapter of that book you've been putting off? Celebrate. Did 10 minutes of yoga instead of scrolling Instagram? Celebrate. Here's why this works. Your brain loves rewards. When you celebrate small wins, you're training your brain to associate effort with positive feelings. And guess what? That makes it way easier to stay motivated. So go ahead. Treat yourself to that coffee, do a little dance, or just give yourself a mental high five. You deserve it. See? Staying motivated doesn't have to be complicated. It's about starting small, finding your why, and celebrating every win along the way. And the best part? You can start right now. So, what's one tiny step you'll take today to build your motivation? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Remember, you've got this. Now go out there and crush it.